they are still your brother. There are people who email me, they say things like, you are the Dajjal, you are calling people to kufr, I hope I see you in the hellfire. I get those emails. Sometimes I actually get people coming up to me, shaking my hand and saying, you are going to burn in hell. They say it. Now the guy who wrote to me and said, I'll see you in hellfire, I responded to him. First of all, I said, may Allah bless you, may He bless your family, may He reward you, may He reward your family, may He bring good out of you and good out of your family and your children, may He forgive you and your parents. And second of all, please don't say, I will see you in hell, because I hope you're in Jannah. To see me, you'd have to be next to me. So, so I hope I see you in Jannah. So, you don't have to, oh yeah? Well, I'll see you there first. No. You don't have to do that. There are people who come up to me, I say, Assalamu alaikum, they say hello. I don't think they're Muslim. They do. I say, oh, that's cool. Take care then. Assalamu alaikum again.